Okay, so hopefully you have this map of the Earth either in Notability so that you can draw on it or on paper. What we're going to be doing is plotting the location of trilobites so that we can see where they have been found around the world. So you may want a globe or another way to find the locations that are listed in the box below. I'm going to start you with a few of these locations. And to do this, I'm going to split my screen so that I can have a world map on part of my screen and then my Notability map on the other. So if you haven't split your screen before, you drag up from the bottom of your screen, kind of where the black frame is, and then you can choose one of the apps you already have open. Sometimes it's a little tricky to drag it up, but you need to drag the app up and to the side. And I know I have a world map in my drive, so there it is. All right, and I want to look at the left side of my screen, so I'm going to slide that over. All right, so we're going to do a few of them together. So let's do Northern Australia first. So if you don't know where Australia is, you can use your world map to find it. And you can see it's below China. On my map, it's in the lower right. Okay, and we can go back to your map. And we're just going to put a T in Northern Australia, just like that. All right, let's cross that one off. The next one I want to do with you, because it's a little tricky to find, is Eastern Siberia. If you don't already know where Siberia is, it's not always easy to find on a map because it's actually the northeastern part of Russia. And you can see on my map, it doesn't say Siberia. So that one can be a little tricky. So we're going to go to your map and put a T in that area. As you can imagine, it's pretty cold that far north compared to Australia, where it's probably pretty warm. The next one I'm going to do with you is the Arctic. Now the Arctic isn't really a place, it's a region. The Arctic is anywhere north of the Arctic Circle, which is a line of latitude. So, again, on the world map, this map anyway doesn't really mark the Arctic Circle very well. So, the Arctic Circle includes, if you look at your map, northern parts of Europe, northern parts of Russia, Greenland. So we're going to use northern part of Europe. Let's put a T on that northern part of Europe. So if we look on the world map, we just put a T in the northern part of Norway, Sweden, Finland. All right. So now that you have 3 plotted on your map, I'm going to ask you to do the remaining 4 on your own. Use any world map you can find. Leave this video on so you can see the locations. And then when you're finished, you'll move on in Canvas.